Accept cards from customer portal. Learn how your customers can easily accept cards directly from the customer portal in Zoho Books. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of enabling the portal, sharing cards, and how customers can preview and accept them seamlessly. Make your sales process faster, transparent, and more professional with this simple yet powerful feature. First, we will create customer and we will discuss how to enable the portal. You can go to sales, select customers. By clicking this plus mark or by clicking this new button, you can create new customer. After that, you can see enable portal. By checking this checkbox, you can enable your customer portal. To enable customer portal, your customer should have an email address. After that, you can check this allow portal access for the customer and you can enter customer details and you can save the customer. For demonstration purposes, I'll take this customer and this customer portal already enabled. Right, next we will create a code for this customer. You can go to codes and click this new button. You can create a code for this customer. And you can save and send this code. By clicking this save and send button, you can save this code and you can send to your customer. Now, you can see the email address of the customer and you can send this code to your customer. Right. Now, demonstration purposes, I'll log in from another Google Chrome and we will check how that customer received the email. Now the customer received the email, the code email. This is quotation number 14 and amount is 10,000. So you can see code number 14 and amount is 10,000. Now you can see next to the code number there's a envelope mark and code status is sent. Right, now we will move to the customers login, customer portal. Now he has received the mail, code mail. You can click this view code button and they can view the customer can view the code. Now customer can sign into the customer portal. Right, now to sign in, you will receive an email and you can enter the email address and customer can enter the captcha and sign up. So here I have already logged in, so I can view one pending approval code. So I can click this or I can go to codes Now quote available, quotation number is 14, amount 10,000, date is 27, so status is open. I can click that quote. Now this is my quote. You can see there are two buttons, accept and decline. So I'll click accept. Now before click that accept, again I'll move to company's point of view, that BW Holdings. Now here code number is 14. You can see envelope sign and code status is sent. Now again I'll go to customer portal, that customers view. So I'll click this accept button. Got accepted successfully. Here also it will change to accepted, and I'll go to company and I'll refresh this. Right, now you can see previously after the code number there's an envelope mark. Now you can see that customer has viewed the code. Okay, that envelope icon has changed to eye icon, so you can view that customer has viewed the code. Next, you can see the code status. Previously it was sent, now it has changed to accepted. Furthermore, you can view these notifications. So you can view that Green Private Limited has viewed your code QT 000014, and read time, view time you can view, and also you can see that Green Private Limited has accepted your code QT 00014 at 11:41. So like that you can get a notification, as well as you can view this details from the code list. So like that your customer can online accept the code. In addition to that, if you want, you can send a comment and add comment. Comment added. You go back to the company, and you can see the notification. Green Private Limited has commented on your code QT 00014 comment, send the invoice. So you can convert this code into an invoice. Right. Next, we will discuss how to decline code online or from the customer portal. I'll clone this code. So like that you can clone, then you can save your time. If it's a similar code, you can clone, and I'll save and send this code. Code number 15. You can see envelope icon and send. I'll check the email, client's email, and view code. I refresh original company. Right, I'll sign into the customer portal, and this time I'll decline the code, and here I'll decline the quote and I'll enter reason. Now I have declined the quote. I'll go back to the original company, so you can view that viewed your quote and print has quote that price is high. So you can see that quote has viewed and quote has declined. So your customer can log into their portal, customer portal, and online they can accept or decline the quote. So without sending email or over the phone or use traditional method, customer can online accept or decline quote, and you can save your time as well as customer also can save their time by using this customer portal.